Let's take a tour of my room here at
one day when I'm like a huge big art collector with made it to the Elefantes. Just another day in paradise.
Let's take a tour of my room here at the Marriott Miami Biscayne. I got upgraded to a suite, which is pretty sweet, not gonna lie. We'll have to see what the view looks like during the day. It's the marina. And out here, there's a corner balcony. This is nice. Oh, and then coming here is like a nice little dining area. Hi. The travel fit. And then bathroom. Not bad. Ooh, automatic lights. I like that.
Okay, I'm taking a video to take this moment down in history because my first time in an Art Basel tent, and like one day when I'm like a huge big art collector,
she's gonna have all of this in her apartment,
all of these things in houses all over the world. We're gonna remember this moment.
Exactly.
Oh, this flower, he looks so cute. Yes, I can't wait.
All right, let me go say hi to my friend.
This like art galleries. Look at this girl. She's so realistic. From the ice cream truck, I used to get the Tweety Bird one. Oh, look at these. I literally thought that this dress, that this was a real person. Look at that. So my friend Andy and I had lunch here in the Jaguar Bar. It's like a VIP lounge, very nice. And it's just been really fun to see all the unique art, and my hair looks crazy right now. And kind of understand like what Art Basel is, like these massive tents and like these all kind like little galleries that are in them. And a lot of neat art. This crazy crowd to see this great migration of elephants. This is a art piece on the beach installation that's like some kind of ode to Indigenous people. Really hot and sunny on the beach, which I love, but also my face is burning. Look at this elephant. What does Faena mean?
It's a good question. Let's find out.
Oh, it's not like a Spanish word? We gotta look it up. Faena. But we're...
It tastes like it, so maybe the other one was like the backwash.
This awesome place. You're gonna love this. It's made of all these seashells. And look at this place. It's like a under the sea place. It's my home. I'm obsessed with these seashells. Fantastic art. Faena Hotel. Lincoln Road. Pretty. Another fantastic chapter with my beloved comes to a close. Humble. If I had to say thank you with every breath, it wouldn't be enough. Thanks, my love.